Hey everybody, Paula here. So today I want to show you how to scan documents into eZmax directly. So we do have a scanning system integrated in our solution. So you're able to add the documents, as many documents as you want, scan them right into the system. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So here we go. Let's say that you're in this transaction. So obviously you have to go to the transaction where you want to upload documents or add documents. I'm in my 123 Birch Street. In my deal section, I go into the documents section and I simply click on add. All right, so you'll have two options here. We've seen, or rather, I already created a video to show you how to upload documents directly from your computer. We will focus today on scanning the documents into the system. You could scan, as I said, as many documents as you want. I chose 2 documents to scan. I already loaded them into my photocopier and my scanner. I will now click on scan right over here. So from here, you get this page that opens up, and to the right, you will click on scan. So this is commanding your scanner to take in the documents, and you will see that they will be displayed on the first column over here in scanned pages. You will see all the pages of all your documents. My 2 documents have a total, I think, of 8 pages, which you're going to see here in a moment. And here we go. So here are my 8 pages. Now, you have to split, you have to create your individual PDFs. So I will take this first page, I click on it, I'll move myself over, I click on it, and I will I get to see a preview of the page so that if something's not clear, it's not right, you could change it. I'll click on my second page, all is good. My third page, it looks fine. It's a little crooked, but hey, let's move forward. So I select these 3 pages. And now that I'm satisfied with it, I could just toggle the pages over to the next column. Let me move myself over here and into the column. By clicking on the blue arrow, I moved the documents into, or the pages onto the document column. I now need to identify that document. So indicate to the system what type of document is this. So it's the buyer's rep agreement. So I'll go here and I will select buyer's rep agreement and I will save. So next I have my agreement of purchase and sale. I will go ahead and select all the pages and tell the system that I want to move that over to my document column so that I can now identify that document as being my agreement of purchase and sale. And I save. Once, and again, as I said, you could do this with as many documents as you want. So once you finish scanning all your documents and identifying them, you just hit back to the list and it'll take you to this page where you are able to simply send these documents to your EDM system. The system's always going to give you the possibility to save them locally, or I should say, save them to your cloud or to your documents on your computer. I'm going to say no to that right now. And now you just I'll just hit a quick refresh so that I could show you that the system has now added these documents to your eZmax transaction, and your agency, your brokerage, is now able to verify them and do what they need to do. So now you're all set. Hope this was helpful. Hope you use it because it really is a practical tool. If you need any assistance or have any questions, we're not far, so give us a call. Take care. Bye.